Good morning, MacArthur students and family. This is Marion Bucko, principal of MacArthur Elementary School. I thought I would try to shoot a little low-budget video here of the renovations and construction taking place at MacArthur. And you'll hardly recognize the place, so I'll try to give you a little tour of what's going on. So, this is our front entrance. For now, though, our front entrance will be down in a different location, and we'll send out that information closer to the time. But you probably know our front parking lot. So there's our front entrance. Here's our front parking lot. This is going to be the location of our new gym. So our gym is going to come off of the building here and push into our front parking lot. So we're going to go inside and you're going to see all the demolition that's taking place inside right now. So as we go in, you see this is our front lobby, which does not look like the front lobby at all. This is where the office used to be. You'll see some of our workers. This used to be the conference room. Over here used to be where the nurse, her room was. And we're going to keep walking. This used to be Mrs. Dill's classroom, which is now going to be part of what they're calling an office suite. So that's video number 1. So for roughly until approximately spring break, we won't have a front entrance and we will not have our office area. We have a new location, which I'll show you in the next video. We also won't have full access to our gym. Now, don't panic. You're still going to have art gym, music, and library once a week like you did in the past. It just won't be in the same locations that you remember art gym music being. Okay, I'm going to show you what is part of our front parking lot. By the way, Miss Bucko is really wanting to try to convince them to let me drive one of the excavators or bulldozers. If that happens, I will be sure to let you know. But this front parking lot will be done by the start of the school year. This is also where our buses would drop off. I am going to walk around this big vehicle real quick and show you for the next several months what our front entrance is going to be. So over that way is what used to be our front entrance, but remember I shared that's where they're demoing right now, and that's where our new gym is going to push out. But this way, which we refer to as our kindergarten entrance, this 2S entrance, is what's going to be our main entrance for the next several months. I have my office staff and nurse is what is relocated down here, and which would have been Mrs. Hummel's classroom. So we relocated Mrs. Hummel, who's a kindergarten teacher, and now we have our secretaries and nurse located down here. And so this 2S entrance is going to be our main entrance for the next several months for the start of the school year. I hope you guys are having a wonderful summer. This is so exciting, and when the project is done in the next, let's say roughly 18 months. Our new school is just going to be amazing. So just lots of flexibility on all of our part, and I know that it's just going to be a great year. So thank you and have a wonderful day. That would have been our front lobby girls' restroom. This is our specials hallway. This was the art room. And that is the music room. So now, as you can see, this is all being demoed. And then again, pushing into that front parking lot, which is going to be all part of our new gym, which you guys are going to be so excited to see. Okay, so now I'm going to show you where the new addition is going to take place. They're going to be adding on 13 new classrooms to MacArthur. So I am walking out to what used to be our blacktop area. I'm going to turn over here. This doorway, 5W, is where our 5th grade classrooms are. So coming off of the brick there by 5th grade, following that tree line and fence area, is where our 13 classroom addition is going to go. Notice the playground currently is been demolished. Don't panic. A new playground, state-of-the-art, is coming. But for now, they needed that area for our new addition. So again, coming off of where 5th grade classrooms are located, this whole area will be where our new 13 classrooms will be located.